Howdy, this is a combination from the World Hoop Day Dance for 2019. So flippy fold, flippy fold, flippy fold, up, down, up, around, and then isolation. What that breaks down to is we're going to start out with a palm spin on the ground and counterclockwise in the right hand. Then we're going to step through, bring the hoop up, and then we're going to bring the hoop over with a little flippy fold. On the third one, we're going to bring this all the way down, and then we're going to do a reverse escalator, grab in the hand, switch the right hand, and go double-handed isolation. So let's do that with the counts. So we're going to take this in the right hand. 1, 2, step 3, step 4, bring it up 5, 6, 7, 8, then flippy fold, flippy fold, flippy fold, and down. Bring it all the way up, hold, and then bring it around and around. All right, that's the combination. Rock on, peace out. Bye.